So maybe you've been seeing these outlets in stores thinking, hey, that'd be really nice to have, but you're not too sure on how to install these safely. So I'm just going to make a quick video of installing these. This one is from Harbor Freight. I believe it's $15, and it actually holds up really well. I've had one in the shop and one in the kitchen, and my wife asked me for another one. So let's put this in and I'll show you how to do it. So first you want to make sure that you don't have any power on, which you can see we put our meter in, we have 120 volts. So you want to find your breaker box and find what breaker it is, which is, on mine, is kitchen outlets number 19, and turn that off. Now, if you don't have a meter, that's fine. You can take any trusted thing that you plug in, like an appliance or something, and plug it into your outlet, and if it doesn't work, then you know that the power is off. So I'm going to take the cover off and then take the outlet out. These screws can be super long. All right, now any electrician will tell you black to brass and white to bright. So disconnect your wires. Black is your hot. White is your neutral. And your green and your bare wire is your ground. So yours might have, you put the hook around like this. This one, they want you to stick it right in the back. So I'm going to get this straightened out. Cut it shorter like that. And stick it on in there. And then you always want to give it a tug test. So same thing with your white. White to bright. This is your bright silver colored screw. I'm going to straighten that out. And then make sure you give it a tug test. Then your green is your ground. Which that also has a hole to stick it in. All right, now orient it up and down. Now you want to take your cover off because we got to get to the mounting screws. All right, then the last thing to do is to put your cover on. Okay, then you just find your breaker box again, turn it on, and you'll be good to go. So hopefully that clears things up. If you like the idea of having an outlet with these USBs on it, you can buy them for pretty cheap. This one's from Harbor Freight. It's $15. I've had really good luck with them. They're not cheaply made. They're good, and that's a quick way to safely install it. So thanks for watching.